Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make the moving object with the keyframe feature in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add sticker for the object and just select the sticker. For example, I'm select this sticker. Alright, just for the position is in line with the video. And alright, make sure on the first frame, and I'm going to just for the size and position in right, sorry, so on the left um, from the frame. Alright, so select the keyframe right here and select the last frame, and you can position the sticker to the left until it leaves the frame again, like so. There we go. This is the final result you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.